Yeah, I'm adding some final touches here to this small painting. Here, I'm putting in the darker side of the building. This is the impact area, so I'm using a little more color here. I'm going to pick up another color and go to the middle building for its dark side, away from the light. And then the other building, another color on the dark side. And then on the lighter side, I put another value, another color, another value, about middle value on the lighter side. And I'll mix up a light gray for the impact area next to that white. That's the lightest value right there. Now I'll pick up the large brush and I'm going to wet the paper up in the sky, and I'm going to paint in some sky. I'll wet the paper first. I'm going to leave the area dry that I want to form a cloud. Then I mix up the sky color, a little cobalt blue, and I put that into the wet area of the sky. And blending that in, going from dark to light as I reach the horizon. And as I go around the cloud formation or the cloud size, I'm blending the color of the sky, making a soft edge around the cloud. Now to reduce the whites, I'm going to pick up a little color, maybe some blue, to reduce some of those whites in the foreground. And we'll reduce the whites on the tops of those other buildings. And the impact area, a little bit of value change there on that one side of the building. And then the final touches, some windows and doors, just a little added interest. And the final door and window, and that's the final touches to a painting.